So hey guys, welcome back to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. So before discussing the solution of today's Leetcode challenge, let's see an amazing challenge that our club has come up with. That is nothing but CP Titans. Yes, you heard it right. It's CP Titans, the ultimate code heist that is organized by Developers and Coders Club in IT Agartala. This promises an electrifying experience filled with thrilling challenges. So the date is 19th of March and the time is 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So mark your calendars and be ready for this electrifying challenge. So now let's see the solution. The question is existence of substring in a string and its reverse. So like we are given a string, okay? We have to find that if there is a substring like EE and that if that is also present in the reverse of the string, okay? So we have seen the question. Let's like first understand the question only. First, suppose it's lead code, okay, and we reverse it. It comes up to be okay. So you can see that EE that is present here is also present here. If this is true, then just return true. This is the intuition. Okay. So how we gonna do is it's very simple. We're gonna do it very simply. Okay. We're gonna do it very simply. First, what we will do is we will travel. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, we will travel in this substring. We'll travel in this string and we'll divide it into substrings. Like first, LE is going to be the first substring, then EE is going to be the second substring, and henceforth. Okay, and we will check it that by reversing it whether we are getting the solution or not. Okay, let's travel and let's see if we are getting or not. Okay, let me write that thing. That is EDOCTEEL. Okay. So the first two substring that is from LE. Whether LE is present. No, it is EL. Okay, it's not present. So just erase it up. Now let's travel to the second substring that is EE. If E is present here, yes, it is present. So we'll return a true. Okay. So now that we have understood the concept, let's move on to the solution and let's understand the solution properly. So here you can see the solution and how we came up. I took a substring and I'm continuously taking a substring here. You can see that for I is equal to 0 to 2, I will take the first substring that is LE and I will store it in a string. I will reverse the original string and I will check that if that substring is present in the original string or not, and if it is present, I will simply return true, else I will return false. A basic concept, and you can submit it. You can see that it got accepted. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. With this, bye bye, take care.